Hello students, in this series of 6 videos we will study, learn, enjoy Python in 6 days. As you all know that Python is a very popular language basically used for ML, DL, AI, but I think that most of you don't basically understand that a Python is a language not only for machine learning but it has different dimensions too. So I have planned to encapsulate the entire Python into 6 capsules, and from this 6 capsule the wrapper is this video. This video is basically a brief introduction that what we will study in the entire 6 days curriculum. So without wasting time, we start with the first, that why Python, the introduction or the fundamental of Python. Python, as we all know, is the easy language, is a language that has a platform independency, a language that has a variety of applications and similarity with the basic languages. So the first video that I will dedicate is the fundamental of Python. The second video that actually I want to explain is about the data types associated with Python, because Python has a different types of data type. It's not that it is similar to Java or any other language. So I want to have 2 things in my second video: the Python data type, mutable format and immutable format. And the second thing that I will want to explain in the second video is all the flow of controls of Python. Either it is if-else or it is a looping structure. This will be the content of my second video. The content of my third video will be 3 popular Python sequence data type, that is list, tuple, dictionary. Comparison of all, usability of all, when to use what, and nesting of this data types all together to create some magical output, create some new output that we are actually expecting in our video. The fourth part of the video will consist of our function. Defining a function, using a function, importing a module, using the imported module functions, different types of parameters, different types of doc strings, different types of ways of calling function, returning functions, so on. This will be the content of my fourth video. The content of my fifth video will be the file handling. As you all know that we have database, but we cannot store everything in the database. It's not feasible to store everything in the database. So if we have to have an application, a standalone application, I need a file handling facility of all 3 types of files: text file, binary file, CSV file. All these 3 types of files handling along with hands-on experience, both you will find in my 5th video. 6th video and the last one, but not the final one, but the last of this series will be the application of modules, creation of modules, and a brief introduction of the power of modules or packages of Python, ranging from a small module like math to a complex module like SciPy. I will try to explain a very brief introduction of 5 to 7 popular modules or packages available in Python. So wait for few time and we will be available with this tremendous video of journey to Python.